Ooh,
So far in this tutorial series, we've been using the default homepage layout, which is ideal for a blog site. But there are a couple of alternative page layouts included in Canvas, the magazine and business templates. Let's take a look at each one. In the magazine template options panel, we can choose a number of featured posts which will appear at the top of the home page, and then the rest of our post will appear further down the page in a smaller two-column layout. I'll feature 2 posts at the top and then set the thumbnail image size for these featured posts at 200 pixels square. The normal posts will appear underneath our 2 featured posts, and I'll set their image sizes to 290 by 100 pixels. Now let's save these options for now. Now, in order to use the magazine template, we'll need to create a new page and assign the magazine template to it. Let's name this page Woo Magazine. Now, in the page attributes, I'll select the magazine template from the list of page templates and then publish this page. Now, let's go take a look. I'll click on our new Woo Magazine page in the menu, and we can see our new magazine layout with the 2 featured posts at the top and the other posts further down the page in this smaller 2-column layout. Now, if we wanted to use this as our home page, then we would simply go to Settings, Reading, and then choose a static page under the front page option. I'll select our new Woo Magazine page as the front page. And now, when we return to our site, we can see our new magazine layout has become the home page. Now, another popular feature in both the magazine and business templates is the featured slider. This is an animated slideshow-like view of your featured posts. To add the slider, I'll begin by enabling it and then choosing a tag which will identify the posts that I want to appear in the slider. I'll enter Featured. And now any posts that have the tag Featured added to them will automatically show in our slider. We'll limit the number of slider panels to the most recent 3 entries, and we'll accept the default settings for the slider for now. Now let's save our changes, and if we toggle back to the public side, then we can see our featured slider in action. The slider is now showing a looping slideshow of posts that have been assigned the tag Featured, and the user can manually advance the slider or click on any story that catches his or her attention. Now, in addition to being able to change the fonts used in the featured slider, you can also choose to hide the title or the excerpt altogether. Or if you like, you can choose the exact number of words that you would like to use in the excerpt that's displayed in the slider. The business template also contains a slider, but it works a little differently than the magazine template. The business template slider uses a custom post type named Slides. To add slides, simply go to Slides, Add New, and then add your content. I'll enter a title for this slide and then paste some basic content that I've already created ahead of time. I'll upload an image to use as the background and then save this slide. Now, to save some time, I've already created a couple of other slides, so now we're ready to activate the business template. Like the magazine template, we'll need to create a new page, and I'll title this page Woo Business. Then in the page attributes, I'll select the business template from the list of page templates and then publish this page. And now if we return to our site and refresh, we'll see our new Woo Business page in the menu. And when we pull up this page, we can see our new business template page in action with the slider at the top. Now this slider is perfect for highlighting your unique business services or products that you want to feature. In the business template, the content in the main column can be whatever you want. Simply add your content to this page like you normally would, and it will appear in this space. You can also choose to hide the footer widgets on this page, which can help to keep your home page clean and simple. The slider settings panel gives you even more control over the slider's behavior, including whether or not it will auto-start when the page is loaded. You can also set the slider to adjust its height automatically to fit whatever the slide contents may be. And we can choose to advance the slider when a slide is clicked. There are also settings for the animation speed and how long each slide will pause before advancing to the next. In the final part of this tutorial series, we'll take a look at the new Tumblelog functionality, as well as the custom widgets that are built into Canvas, the Woo framework, SEO, and more. Thank you for watching the third part of this tutorial, and we hope it's been helpful so far.